I'm gonna use the microwave today. I gotta make sure that my mom's casserole isn't in there. I must be delusional.
Okay.
Alright, so let's try this again. They doubled. Alright, this is getting kind of creepy. Ah!
It's real. It's scary. Okay.
Alright, hopefully there won't be any more ponies, because I have this issue with ponies. I think they're like really scary, so it's like the worst nightmare. What? Nail polish. But where'd the terrifying ponies go? Okay, this is... Wow, there must be some kind of prank going on, because... Okay, there's gonna be another nail polish thing, I can bet you right now. There's gonna be a nail polish in 5, 4, yeah, 1. Oh my god, it's a rat! I almost cooked a rat! Okay, I'm gonna get these, because there's gonna be 2 of them next time. Or maybe nail polish. I got a weapon though. It's going down! It's stale! Ah! Oh, that's a price for a root beer. And I am still hungry, so maybe there'll be more root beer.
Dun dun
What
dun.
the heck? I'm not hungry anymore.
Bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum.